Hey, what's up guys? So a bunch of new photos have appeared of what could allegedly be the next Galaxy Fold. So unlike the Galaxy Fold, its successor has a different approach, and from the looks of it, it's a normal looking phone folding in half, aka the clamshell design. This was suspected soon after Galaxy Fold was launched, but now finally there are images to prove it. A recent trademark filing suggests that it was trying to make the hinge look less noticeable compared to the larger Galaxy Fold. An example of how that would look like is on the Motorola Razr 2019, which does have an obvious 3-part hinge. There is no formal Samsung branding on the smartphone, which suggests it could possibly be a prototype, but the rounded frame and the shape of the speaker grill ascribe to the standard Samsung design. Plus the smartphone is running One UI in the Chinese language. Design-wise, the phone opens up to look like a standard bar phone with volume rockers on the right, the display has a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera, and at the bottom the phone has a speaker grill, a USB Type-C port with possible support for fast charging. Just like its predecessor, the phone does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, and the retail package is likely to include a pair of wireless earphones. Unlike the standard Galaxy Fold or the Moto Razr, there is no color display on the outside. Here, a tiny monochrome screen near the bottom shows the time, the date and the battery percentage. So this means it cannot accomplish many tasks when folded. Besides this display, it has dual camera setup along with the flash. It's believed to feature 108MP lens from Samsung, specifically the second generation. But these images do not share any details about the cameras, so we have to wait some more. And if reports are to be believed, Samsung might unveil the next generation of the Galaxy Fold alongside the Galaxy S11 series in February 2020. So for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Peace out.